Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Elon Musk made the decision to repump the Shiba Inu. Huge news indeed. The Shiba Inu ecosystem, which is a connected family of digital assets and solutions developed on the Ethereum blockchain, is housed in the Shiba Inu token. Shib, Leash, and Bone are among its tokens, along with native Shiba, Cheese, and FTS. Shib solutions include Shib the Metaverse, and the Shibaswap and MORE. Shib is a leading cryptocurrency for decentralized finance that has been more popular among investors all over the world. It regularly ranks as Google's third most searched project and has 3.6 million Twitter followers. Shib is able to boost scalability, security, and innovation by adding blockchain to the majority of your volume. We shall discuss Elon Musk's decision to pump Shiba Inus in this video. This is major news once more. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and predictions for the Shiba enterprise. Let's start the video now without further ado. What makes meme coins so well liked? The influence of social media is a crucial element. Online communities have a significant role in the interest and adoption of meme coins. Platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and TikTok have been instrumental in promoting these currencies and enticing people to make investments. As investors work together to raise the price of their preferred meme coins, this has generated a sense of communal excitement and urgency among investors. Furthermore, it is impossible to ignore the cultural attractiveness of meme currencies. In a world where online culture and memes are becoming more prevalent, investors have a one-of-a-kind chance with these tokens to take part in and contribute to this cultural phenomena. Investors can identify with a group that values comedy, irreverence, and inventiveness by purchasing and holding meme coins. In several ways, more than any other crypto on the market, meme coins capture the spirit of the times. Their distinctive nature is inextricably linked to meme culture's meteoric rise to fame. It is a perfect example of how humor and comedy are used to communicate in contemporary society. Meme coins, a subtle but crucial cultural relic from our time, might then be seen as a digital representation of the relationship between comedy and the internet. On the other side, Batina, a coin that directly competes with Dogecoin, was introduced in August 2020. It uses the same Shiba Inu dog meme as its predecessor, but Shiba Inu has advanced the concept by developing a decentralized exchange called Shibaswap that enables users to trade and stake their tokens. These meme coins' appeal can be linked to a number of elements, including their lighthearted and entertaining nature, affordability, and capacity to spread word of mouth on social media sites like Twitter and Reddit. She has also experienced enormous price increases recently, rising by more over 6,000% in a short period of time. The popularity of Elon Musk as Dogecoin's biggest and most well-known supporter could be another reason for hope. Musk frequently causes significant price swings for Dogecoin. Dogecoin climbed 31% to as high as 10 cents in the first week of April when the social media business changed the home button of its website to a picture of the Doge meme by just hinting at it on Twitter. For those who have followed Musk for a long time, the change was simply the billionaire's most recent ode to a long love affair with cryptocurrencies. The price has remained high thereafter, but is still well behind its all-time top value of 64 cents. Musk posted a meme in response to the move and a screenshot of a previous conversation in which a Twitter user pushed him to switch the bird emblem to a Doge. Since Musk gained a sizable Twitter following, he tweeted as promised. Musk is known for sharing memes and backing cryptocurrencies, so it's not surprising that he chose Dogecoin as the meme currency. A Shiba Inu dog was depicted in the meme with a Comic Sans thought bubble. Reddit had a digital currency with a market worth of around $8 million in 2013. This currency gained popularity for the internet custom of tipping, which rewards users for doing good things like sharing ideas or facilitating access to platforms. Similar opinions have been expressed by Musk in the past, including his arguments with the Securities and Exchange Commission and his use of Hitler jokes and President Joe Biden slurs on Twitter. The Tesla CEO has consistently pushed authority and questioned the status quo. I think my favorite cryptocurrency is Dogecoin. In April 2019, Musk posted a tweet. The cryptocurrency news is quite cool. According to Striker Decrypt, there was a huge increase in Dogecoin searches between 2019 and 2020. Musk tweeted about it at the same time, and in 2021, he claimed to have been collaborating with Dogecoin creators since 2019 for the network's benefit. In February 2021, he also shared a meme of himself cradling a Shiba Inu in the manner of the Lion King from Disney. The GPU is at a fork in the road as it battles significant opposition and a wider market decline brought on by the cloud. Lightning, the token, had a high burn rate up until recently, and a spike in network activity helped it perform better on the market. Shiba Inu's future trajectory, however, hangs in the balance as these variables begin to fade, and the bulls appear unable to push the price higher. Investors are unsure about the token's next move as a result of its inability to definitively break through above the 200-day exponential moving average (EMA). Shiba Inu is currently at a pivotal point. It may either build up support above this important resistance level or give in to negative pressure, potentially ending its month-long local rally. Shina's performance on the market was previously significantly boosted by the high burn rate and active network. The dynamics of supply and demand changed in favor of the cryptocurrency as more tokens were taken out of circulation, increasing its value. However, the token's burn rate has also been badly impacted by the recent decline in network activity, which has a knock-on effect on its performance in the market. It's important to remember that the Shiba Inu has proven to be remarkably resilient and adaptable despite these difficulties. Beyond being a simple meme coin, the community-driven project has broadened its focus to include decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens and NFTs. Sherborne claims that 51 transactions and 223,264,370 SHIB tokens have been burned under the Twitter account 223.264,370 over the past 7 days. Compared to the 106 million SHIB tokens destroyed and the 29 transactions completed the week prior, 223 million SHIB tokens have been burned and 51 transactions have been made in the last 7 days. The current weekly data indicates an almost 100% rise in the number of tokens burned throughout the predetermined period. The quantity of transactions including SHIBs has also increased by a similar margin. This week, you stated today that SHIBs burned on average reached 134 million after reaching their highest daily burn total since October 12. The daily SHIB burn rate dropped back to its previous low levels. Only 1 million SHIB tokens were destroyed in the previous day, and 5 transactions were completed. The burn rate of 92.07% reflects the low burn volume. SHAPE has slightly increased in the past day to $0.000092 the previous 24 hours. After reaching a low of $0.00000817 on November 22nd, she gradually corrected, but amazingly she has continued to trade above this mark. Since then, the daily RSI has been drifting slightly upward near the neutral 50-point level, suggesting that the bulls are poised for a move. When you consider this, consolidation appears to be the overall picture. Before the subsequent major shift, the SHIB price may continue to trade in a range. The levels that are squashing the bull's upward trend are MA 50 $0.000102 and MA 200 $0.000112 on the upward. In the meantime, the holders have plenty of opportunities to accumulate given the current SHIB price action. Shib is currently registering the highest percentage of long-term holders, or hodlers, at 54%, according to the block data. Both short-term and mid-term holders have increased in this ratio of holders in recent months. Tomiko Bold is a seasoned technical analyst who specializes in cryptocurrencies. He closely monitors cryptocurrency research, does in-depth price analysis, and forecasts exchange predictions for upcoming market movements. The University of Lagos is where he received his degree. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.